Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool under here, and basically what this is some fragrance or some beauty products from the Dior brand. But right here you can see this is what the packaging looks like. Let's take out the ribbon first and open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So I'm gonna peel this out and put on one side. And if you guys open it up, once you guys do open up, this is basically what the inside looks like. So they do have the very nice packaging on here or the wrapping inside. But if you guys do open it, once you guys do open it, this is what the inside looks like. You can see how we do have a lot of stuff inside. Let's take it all out. So first thing inside, they do give you guys a return label if you guys do need to return it for whatever reason. Next thing inside right here, you can see they do give you guys a little baggie. And inside the little bag, they provide me two samples I selected myself. One of them is Elixir, and the other one is a Miss Dior sample. You can see that is basically what the inside looks like. And then here is this one. And that is everything that's inside the small little baggie. Next thing inside, they do give you guys a little miniature bottle. And this one right here is a perfume, which is a little bit weaker compared to the Elixir option. But we got to open it. Inside we do have the small little bottle. But when you guys see materials on here, it is glass. And when you got to open it, it's basically like that. So it's not a spray on option, it's like a tap on option because there's no spray option on top. But when you guys do smell it, it definitely smells pretty good. Obviously for this one, since it is the EDP, it's not as strong as like the perfume option and not as strong as the Elixir option. But right here is basically what the sample size looks like for the miniature bottle when you guys do purchase it. Next to inside right here, if you can see the packaging for this one definitely looks pretty nice. But right here is basically another sample, another gift that's provided for me. So let's open up. Let's open for the bottom. So that way you can keep the ribbon as is. Inside right here, you can see they do give you guys a smaller sample size option, which I believe is a lipstick. You can see right here in the front they do have the CD option, and right here on top as well. But once you guys open it, if you guys twist it, this is basically what it looks like. If you see it's like a dark red color, and when you guys use it, it's very easy and very smooth. So that is basically what it actually looks like for this one. But next to inside right here, you can see they do give you guys a very nice little packaging, and basically what this is a notebook. So let's do open it, and see how the product is all nicely wrapped up. But once you guys do take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So you can see for this notebook definitely looks pretty nice. And you can see how the side is all gold. And when you guys do open it, it definitely looks so luxury, especially how the bottom part does say Dior. But right here on the bottom, you can see they do give you guys a bookmark option to actually put it right here, anywhere inside if you guys do want to. And it does go pretty far. You can see how long it is right here. So really cool how you provide this notebook for me if you guys see how cute the product is. It's a very nice kind of collectible if you guys want one. So this is what the product looks like in the front. And here is the back. And there is one more thing inside before I show you guys the product, which is right here. So pretty much what is inside right here is a pouch. You can see how they do tell you guys in the back right here. But if you guys do open up, once you guys do take it out, this is basically what the pouch looks like. So for this one in particular, they call it a makeup pouch. So you can definitely put in like your makeup accessories inside. And you see for the zipper right here, it does say Dior as well. And it's nicely wrapped up as well, so that way you know it's brand new. Front part right here, you see we do have CD option, so that way you know from Christian Dior. But if you guys do open up, if you guys see the inside is actually very spacious. And when you guys do feed the materials inside, it definitely feels really soft and very smooth. And once you have it done, you can zip it back up. And then that is basically what the pouch looks like. So definitely a really cool gift right here as well. And last but not least, we do have the main part right here, which is basically the Elixir. So basically my previous video, I actually reviewed this product before, so you guys know it is a high quality product. I actually tried a few different perfumes from different brands, such as Chanel and also YSL. And also try like the other EDP or the perfume option from this brand. And so far none of them smells as good as the Elixir option, at least in my opinion. So for those of you who don't remember, I actually reviewed this one before. So this one right here is a 2 fluid ounce, where for this one right here is a 3.4 fluid ounce. So it is much bigger and the biggest size available. Let me open the big one to show you guys what it looks like as well. So I'm peel out the sticker on top first. So if you guys do open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So if you guys put it side by side, you can definitely see the difference that's on here. It's much bigger by 1.4 fluid ounce. But when you guys do use it, it will definitely last you guys for a while. But the material for both of them is the same. If it's in here how it's glass. And same thing for this lid. It is magnetic as well. So definitely feels very high quality, just like the small one as well. So whether if you guys want more or less, that is totally up to you guys. But when you guys do try it out, it definitely smells pretty good. Especially if you guys compare to this one right here, which is from the Chanel brand. This one I just used it during my trip. And when I used it, it didn't really last that long. Like after like a few hours, maybe like 3 or 4 hours, I don't smell it anymore. Compared to the Elixir when I use it, it lasts all day. So that is basically why I purchased another one, the Elixir in a bigger bottle, because I know it works a lot better and actually lasts longer as well. So if you guys want my honest opinion between both of these, I do recommend going for the Elixir instead of Chanel option, because the Chanel doesn't last as long and the smell is not as powerful as the Elixir option as well. If you guys look at the bottom of the package, they do have a lot of nice wrapping on here that also says Dior, but that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So based on everything that I show you guys in terms of what is actually included, if you guys want everything that's included, or if you guys only care about the Elixir option, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't wanted these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.